Hi guys, in this video we are going to see function in Python. I hope that you can able to see my screen. Here I am going to explain what is function, and I am going to explain the code which I have written already, which is made by by me as well as about the function. Okay, so basically the function is nothing but a block of code or which is runs when it is called, and so basically we can pass data which is like a parameter into a function. So you might be thinking what is the necessary of using function, because of whenever we want to create to some particular task to run based on some particular lines of code, then we can define those lines of code inside a function to achieve the task. So it will definitely run whenever we try to call that. Okay, according to that, here I have created one function using def. Def is the keyword to create a function, and I have created a function named my underscore function. Okay, inside function I have written two lines of code, just two lines of code, which is first line is print hello from a function, and second line is like a variable. I have stored 90 value, which is just integer value in a variable like a, and I have written like a print a. Next time printing the a only here, and already I have written one line to print the hello from a function. Okay, so now if I run this function, wait a minute, I need to comment this line. So if I run this program, do you think it will print these two lines? Let's see what will happen. Yeah, you can see there is no output, which means whenever we have created a function, it doesn't matter, once we run it has to return everything. We have to call. That's why we are going to write a code like my function. Okay, if I run this program, now I am calling the function. Okay, if I run this line, if I run, then we can able to see the output. Yeah, here you can see hello from a function 90, which is our value which I am printing here. Okay, this line used to call the function. Okay, this is a basic function, and we'll see another example. Now we are going to see. Okay, as I told you, here we have created my underscore function to call that. Here also I am doing the same thing. Okay, here also I am doing the same thing, which is nothing but printing the same sentence hello from a word, and I have created another variable which is car. Inside the variable I have stored like integer values like 78 and 65 inside a list, and I am calling the list. If I run this program, what do you think? As you expected, this line will be printed, and this line also will be printed. Like what is output is coming here? Let's see. Hello from function, and from a function, and you can able to see the car. Inside a car variable we have stored two values inside a list, which is 78 and 65. Okay, that's all about. And the coming video we will see how to put some values inside a function. That kind of advanced thing we will see, and I hope the basic thing, how to create function and how to call function, these kind of things you might have learned from this video, and we'll see next video. Thank you, bye bye.